Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, October 27th. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Plans and Planning. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Winston Churchill. Plans are useless, but planning is invaluable. I love that. Plans are useless, but planning is invaluable. We easily confuse plans with planning, dreams with dreaming, and love with loving. The wisdom waiting within what Churchill says is that we live like hungry fishermen, sowing and casting our nets, though we never really know what we'll catch, never really know what will feed us until it is brought aboard. So, as Buddhists say, to be a good fisherman, you must detach yourself from the dream of the fish. This makes whatever is caught or found a treasure. When I look at all the books I've written, I must confess that every one has been discovered along the way to the plants. What I envision when I begin is never what is actually written. The same can be said for my career path. For me, the most meaningful job experiences have been completely unforeseen, the result of seizing heartfelt opportunities that appeared along the way to other dreams. I must also confess that though I've imagined love and lovers often, each person I've been blessed to love has come to life beyond all imagining. Certainly, there are times we need to anticipate what is coming and times we need to be spontaneous. But too much is made of choosing either way. Plans are kindling to every fire, and no two fires are the same. We just need their heat and their light. Beautiful, isn't it? So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix at this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you sense some spaciousness in your whole being. Get a sense of freedom. Enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to really center yourself, feel your center, your heart center, and think of your current plans for happiness. As you breathe softly, naturally, imagine laying your plans before your heart, like sticks of kindling before starting a fire. And now, if you'd like, set an intention to enter your day looking for the spark, not even knowing what fire these kindlings will light in you. Now, place your hands on your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to remember this awesome quote from Winston Churchill. Plans are useless, but planning is invaluable. And see where it takes you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. And I will see you tomorrow.